Hey everybody, Grayson from Profit. Today we're talking about Ascended Heroes, all the specialty sets from the Scarlet and Violet era. And I know a lot of you guys watching this video, you understand that Ascended Heroes is a great set, but I don't think people realize just how much demand there is for a set like Ascended Heroes. So today I kind of want to try and illustrate that to you by talking about sales volume. And sure, you can look at TCG Player. It does not tell the whole story of what's going on the secondary market. But before we get to Ascended Heroes and before I compare it to Prismatic, we should go through the rest of the specialty sets. Starting off with 151, these are actually down to around $610 again on TCG Player. And I said a couple weeks ago I was wrong because I kind of expected this to happen, for the ETBs to come down a little bit in price, for people to, take some profits or whatever. They ran up to 640 a couple weeks ago, but since then we're back down to around $607 on TCG Player. In recent sales, you're actually in like the 580, 590 range for the most part. Sure, there's a couple higher ones, including the most recent one. However, over the past couple days, 570 to 590, most of the sales there. And on eBay, selling around 6.5 per day, which is a little bit lower than the last time we did the update, which I think it was over 7, but still very respectable for a box that's over $600. Paldean Fates, $415 on TCG Player. Couple of these still selling on eBay every single day. The graph is just continuing to creep up over time. So if you own Paldean Fates, this is definitely a good sign. And honestly, the market is so hot right now, even Shrouded Fable is beginning to move. So these ETBs were around $88 again on TCG Player. On eBay, close to 5 of these are selling per day, buy it now sales. And to give you context too, last summer when these were $60, $65 in ETB, they were maybe only selling 2 to 3 per day on average. Maybe a good week it was closer to 4. So considering the price, we're almost 50% higher now, and there's even more of them selling. That should be a sign of the current times in the Pokemon hobby. I'm going to skip over Prismatic Evolutions for a second, touch on Black Bolt and White Flare first. These are both doing great as well. Black Bolt, we're around $125 in ETB, still selling over 30 per day on eBay North America. And then White Flare, I want to say, is a little bit below that, maybe like 27, 28, but still selling at a respectable pace. The other thing too, this ETB is up to around $112 now. I think these over time, it's going to do something like Paldean Fates and just slowly creep upwards. I don't think it's going to be the best investment in the world, but I'm sure that you're going to do very well in sets like Black Bolt, White Flare, God Pack, lots of great top hits, decent value there. Packs are still relatively cheap if you're looking to get into booster bundles, let's say. So overall, I love both of those sets. If I had to pick one, I would still go with Black Bolt just because they are still fairly close in price. Before we get into Prismatic and Ascended Heroes and do the comparison, if you guys enjoy this type of content, I'd really appreciate if you leave a like on the video. It helps out a ton, getting these videos pushed out to more people. Thank you guys so much for the support on the channel. If you want to work with me this year, links as always in the description down below. Now, to get into the conversation with Prismatic Evolutions and Ascended Heroes, I want to give you a little bit of context. So back in April, late April of last year, around April 20th, I did an update for Prismatic. It was the first time I looked at the ETBs and their sales data on eBay. This was about 3 months after release of the set and the ETBs. So that does matter here, I would say. They were selling around $130, $135 on TCG Player, something like that. And about 30 of them were moving per day, buy it now sales, eBay North America. Okay, so that's a little bit over a year ago for Prismatic Evolutions, 3 months after release. Ascended Heroes, I just did the first update, and generally I like to wait 90 days before I start tracking a product. This has been like a couple months at this point, a little bit over 60 days for Ascended Heroes. So obviously we need to take that into account. And next month, I'll probably do another comparison just to see at the 3-month mark how Prismatic's doing versus Ascended Heroes. But this first update, right, we're talking about ETBs. And I think when I put the numbers in around 2 a.m. this morning, it was $157 on TCG Player. We're now down to $152 for Ascended Heroes ETBs, but the ETB more expensive than Prismatic was a year ago. And at the same time, it's currently selling around 150 of these per day, every single day. Buy it now sales, eBay North America. That is ridiculous, guys. Even when Prismatic was getting those massive restocks last year at Sam's Club, Costco, the box price was down to, I want to say like $100, even sub 100 on TCG Player. We did not reach the level we are currently at with Ascended Heroes. And that just speaks volumes to the demand for a set like this. And I know some people like to say that I'm maybe coping with Ascended Heroes or something, but guys, I think this is an amazing investment. I think long term, you're going to regret not having exposure to Ascended. And again, maybe it's not the best time to be buying the product. That is definitely debatable. However, the data speaks for itself. There is insane demand, even at current levels, for this product. And we haven't seen anything like this ever before, at least not that I've been tracking, maybe way back in the day or something, but I highly doubt it considering the market that we're currently in. So if you own Ascended, based on the current amount of supply on the market and how much is actually selling, I would definitely recommend holding on to your product. I would not be selling Ascended. Any type of restock, if you can get stuff at MSRP, absolutely pick it up. Even if there are drops at, let's say, Costco or Sam's Club later this year, and you can buy on the secondary market and ETBs are around $100 or $120, who knows what's going to happen with a set like this. I'm absolutely going to be buying more, right? I think this is a generational set. I think the cards inside incredibly strong. And even putting my subjective opinion aside, the market's telling us that this is going to be a really strong set that people are going to want to open for a long period of time. So very happy that I have an initial position in Ascended Heroes. I'll be looking to add to it in the future. To touch on quickly a lot of the cards, because, we've gone through this before, but there is something to point out now. The Pikachu has overtaken the Mega Gengar, at least on TCG Player. However, there's something that isn't really being taken into account if you just look at those numbers. Come in and look. This is definitely being manipulated by, I'm assuming, Korean cards right now. All these sales at like $240. I'm assuming the English versions are actually selling $1,350, $1,400, $1,430, up to $1,475. And I think that's enough to still keep it in front of the Pikachu. But we're at a point now, you have two cards over $1,000. One's almost pushing $1,500. Even the Dragonite is up to $810, $820 now. Recent sales you can see here over the past 48 hours, $840, $900, and $846. Like, the demand for these cards, the demand for the set, even at current levels, it's ridiculous. It's something we've never seen before. And that's really important, right? Like, maybe that's super obvious and someone's at home going, yeah, no shit, Grayson. Like, obviously Ascended Heroes is a great set. You sound like a brand new person to this hobby. Like, you're just parroting whatever else. Guys, I've never seen this before at these levels. And that means something for sure. So any restock, any reprint this year, build your position in Ascended. Even if this gets printed insanely heavily, I think the right place is still going to be taking advantage of opportunities when they present themselves and just getting in to Ascended Heroes if you haven't already. For you guys that are in, I personally, I'm going to be fine averaging up in terms of my entry points. I'm going to be fine with that. I think even around, $120, $140 later this year, I'm probably going to be okay paying that and buying some more Ascended. Obviously, it doesn't feel as great as out the gate being able to buy them for $100 in ETB, $1,000 for a case, but I do want more exposure to Ascended long term than I currently have. So that's going to be my plan going forward. I don't really think there's much more to say in regards to this. Like, the fact that Ascended is just crushing. Well, I guess I can tell you too, we didn't really touch on this, and apologies for kind of ranting. Prismatic currently at its levels around $165 in ETB, over 60 selling per day, which is definitely up over the past month, which is great. There's more supply on the market too. In fact, I don't think I've ever tracked Prismatic and had this many ETBs below a 20% move than we currently have, right? And it's difficult for me to tell, based on the numbers. Maybe a month from now, we'd expect these boxes to start to rebound and move back up to 180, 190. I'm not sure if that's actually going to be the case. When I do the updates and I'm looking at the sellers with supply. It seems like every new update, there's another large distribution channel that has 1,000 to like 1,200 boxes of Prismatic. So maybe it's going to be a little bit longer than that. I know there's a lot of them out there, but if they are selling 50 to 60 per day, I mean, it's only going to be a matter of time before we see Prismatic run back up to $200 USD a box and then probably hit all-time highs again. So I think that's all I wanted to get to in this video. Long story short, Ascended, it's the GOAT set right now in terms of demand. It's absolutely crushing Prismatic. It's crushing where Prismatic was a year ago at this point. And we'll take a look another month from now, and then obviously do more comparisons as the year go on. But with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Have a great weekend. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.